Welcome to the Mizzou. It's the name of the restaurant. Oh, nice.
Andrew?
Lucky. Oh, look at the piggy bank.
Ryan?
No, video. We were waiting for our reservation. We have to wait 13-20 minutes. Oh no. Hey, it's okay. Huh? That is so. Guys, ito pala ang aming photo pictures, yung aming ayan ang aming appetizer, napakasarap, at another appetizer, at ito naman ang aking dinner. At syempre, magpapapicture din ako sa outside. At ito pala yung aking gifts. Happy Mother's Day. Please be kind and humble. Thank you.